everyone! So today I'm gonna try squishy that I bought from the street market. So this type of squishy that I bought is like quite cheap. It's like cheaper than like some other store. So they sold this in like a market type. So you can just like walk around looking for the stall. They all sell the kind of the same squishy but different prices. So you have to find like the best price. Yeah, it's really cheap. So I bought 4 squishy. So let's try it. Hey guys, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.